Hi everyone, welcome to the Profile Lines Advanced tutorial. This will be going into more things that you can do with profile lines and tool overall. The first thing you might notice is we've drawn some profile lines on this main screen already. Now if you select a profile line and right click it, you can see that there's all kinds of things in the menu that you can do. Go to Edit Profile, you can add points, delete points, even move the profile over as long as it's selected. And we will go into demonstrating how to add a vertex. You can see the mouse has turned shapes into a plus sign, so we're going to add a vertex there. Perfect. And now we're going to move the profile line. You see, you just click and drag, pretty easy. Now let's go to quick access to show you the next part. You can see that I only have one profile line up here under configurations. I only have profile 5. And take a quick look at how this is drawn. Now, the cool thing that you can do is you can right click that profile line and say reverse profile. Now we're going to go back in and you'll see that the profile line has drawn the opposite direction. Select both profile lines and right click and say join profiles. And now you can see those profile lines are connected. We're going to select it again and go to manage all profiles. You can see that that profile line is no longer there. Then we have one merged row of that new profile line. There's all kinds of things you can do if you right click the selected profile line. Say I don't want it anymore, I can actually delete it. You can delete all profile lines as well. One thing I didn't go into the first video is if you go back into the main chart, you can actually right click this chart and go to properties and change selections such as labels, colors for the axes, and even the title for the data source. You can right click and say save as well if you want to save it to a PNG or a CSV and print it, zoom in and out. That will change your PPD. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you want to come in and play with the profile lines, there's all kinds of neat things you can do with it. Have fun. Thanks. Bye.